So today I'll be showing you how to connect your OnePlus Buds 4 to the app on your Android phone. So what you need to do is simply pair via Bluetooth, and then once the earbuds are paired via Bluetooth to the iPhone, you want to go to the Apple App Store and find the HeyMelody app. All right, so that's the app you're going to be using, HeyMelody. That's the official app for OnePlus Buds, this one right here. So get that app and have it installed on your iPhone. Now with the app installed, just tap on open to launch the app. If it's the first time, you're going to have to go through this process. So tap on agree and continue, and then it's going to ask for permission to find Bluetooth devices. So you want to allow that. So just tap on allow, and then let's go ahead and add our device. So tap on add, and it's now scanning for a device. And since you've already connected via Bluetooth, this should be easy to find. So once they've been detected, just tap on connect and they should get connected. It's really that simple. So now you have access to more functions and tweaks and settings for your OnePlus Buds 4, right? Thanks for watching and good luck.